a restaurant is, above all, a business. And in business you have to keep track of your numbers. If a restaurateur doesn't know how much of each product they have, they risk losing the business, because you need to know what you have in stock and make sure it sells. And if you're out of something, you need to reorder. You may have staff for that, but the owner must keep an eye on it. Doing inventory with BarControl is a pleasure. By contrast, traditional inventory methods are a huge burden on bartenders. For example, at the Bird Cage, our second bar, we have well over 1,000 items. Yet with BarControl, we finish counting them in 2 to 3 hours, and it's actually enjoyable. Secondly, drink quality doesn't suffer. One traditional method is repeatedly pouring between containers, which degrades the product. With BarControl, quality stays perfect. Thirdly, the owner can instantly view inventory reports in a convenient format. No handwritten lists, so you can quickly analyze the data and feed it into your other business systems. Some restaurateurs may initially balk at paying for this software, thinking it's too expensive. But in reality, it's very affordable, because you save more on your remaining stock than you spend on the program.